In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to get and download your Etoro account statements. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to etoro.com and then log into your account like you usually would. Then from here you'll need to head over to the menu and then scroll down until you see the settings page down here. Now once we're here, you'll need to head over to the account settings where you can change your account credentials and secure it. Once from here, it should bring something like this. Now from here you'll need to scroll down until you see the document section down here. Now the first one right here will be the account statements, and here you'll simply need to click view. Once from here you'll be able to select a specific month that you want to find and get and download the account statement for. So you can choose either one of these settings here, or you can choose a custom date right there. Once from here you'll simply need to click create, and once from here you'll be able to see a summary, your close positions, your account activity, dividends, and financial summary. Now if you want to download it, you'll simply need to head over here where you can either download it as a PDF file or an Excel file. Right here, you'll just need to click on one of these and then a download will start. But as I do it, if you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!